what lifestyle changes are recommended while using Ozempic? So, great question. So, now Ozempic or any such medication for weight management, they're just training wheels. And these medications are not going to work if you're not going to do all the additional things that you're supposed to do, because change essentially happens when you change your own self. And what these medications do, that they make it easier, they make you feel that you got it. So what you have to also do is you have to control your sleeping patterns. You have to gain insight into what are the eating habits that you have that need to improve. You definitely want to include some physical activity into your life. You have to build that into your life, and you have to get yourself to that point where you build that into your life so that you can maintain a healthy state of being. One other important thing that I tell people is that you have to understand that we have now a new information on alcohol is telling us that alcohol is not something that belongs inside your body. It should stay outside of your body. Now, if this is the current understanding of human body and its function, then that is one thing that you also have to consider changing in your lifestyle. And that's that.